Bernard, we need to let Tiffany know that Mr. and Mrs. Claus are on their way up. 10-4.
10-4, Bobby. I'll let all the elves know. Attention, all elves! Santa and Mrs. Claus will be here momentarily.
Yay! Mr. and Mrs. Claus! So great to see you. We missed you.
Hi, Santa. Great.
Good to see you.
Well,
Oh,
yeah.
my goodness.
Wait until you see all the toys we have for Rabida Children's Hospital.
Wonderful.
Also, the accounting firm, Cutchins, Robbins, and Diamond, did our audit this year, so everything's accounted for.
That's incredible. But we have bad news. The turbochargers on my sleigh have broken, and I don't know what to do.
All right.
I'm really beside myself.
Well, I'm going to make some phone calls, and we'll see what we can do.
In the meantime, let's get you inside, Mr. Claus.
Elves take such good
Oh
care
my
of us.
goodness, these are adorable. Oh, Santa and I sure love our cookies. Woo! Maybe we had better have that for later, Santa.
I want mine now.
All right.
Thank you. Santa,
Oh.
Santa, I have the most updated naughty and nice list.
This is
Well, I'm
so
sure
important.
everybody at La Rabida is on the nice
Oh, I'm
list.
sure they are.
Welcome, Santa. Welcome, Mrs. Claus.
Oh, thank you.
All of the bookkeeping is done, and all the toys are accounted for all the boys and girls.
You elf.
Oh no, the conveyor belt just broke. It's okay, guys. We can do this ourselves.
Oh, look, my little pony. Oh, remember when the reindeer were small and they looked like my little pony?
Legos. Oh, Santa. All the little
Santa, I've just been informed your transportation's ready.
Oh, that
what
is
a relief.
Wonderful.
What a
I will
relief.
be able to deliver our toys to La Rabida after all. Oh, it's wonderful.
Oh, what a happy, happy day.
We need to bag now.
Let's speed it up. Oh my goodness, look at this, so cute.
Elves, you did such a wonderful job. All the children at La Rabida will be so happy. And it was wonderful that you got my sleigh fixed so that we can make the balance of our journey.
Oh, the cutest thing ever.
Now we will go and go.
Bye.